Let's talk about taxes. Taxes in a country is an important thing because the government is building roads with it, hospitals, education, army, police, and the list just goes on and on and on. So taxes is important. But South Africa now is one of the most taxed countries in the world. And there's consequences to these taxes. And I just like to explain something. So you pay extra tax on cigarettes, for instance. Now everybody goes and they call it sin taxes, and we get that. You know, if you've got money to smoke and burn, then you've got money. You can pay some extra tax. But here's the problem, and the people must listen to this. If you overtax stuff, you make stuff illegal. Take cigarettes. In COVID, they were told you cannot smoke. Now the human race has got something called vices, drugs, liquor, smoking, alcohol, prostitution, gambling. Those vices is human nature. And some of the people have got one vice, some of them got all the vices. And you can't get rid of a human vice, that's sinful tendencies. So what happened in COVID is what was stopped? Cigarettes were stopped, sale of alcohol was stopped. Why? Because I said that could transmit the disease. I don't know if it could or couldn't, but what was the consequences? Did people stop smoking? Did they stop drinking? Maybe out of force, but what did they do? They start buying alcohol and cigarettes illegally. And the problem now is when COVID stopped and cigarettes and alcohol got back onto the market, the people kept buying the cheap stuff, the dangerous stuff, the very unhealthy stuff. Right? So there's a consequence to things like taxes or prohibition. There's consequences to that. And until today, that problem is not fixed. South Africa is flooded with unlawful, illegal cigarettes and I don't know about alcohol, but I think alcohol as well. I'm fortunate. I don't smoke and I don't drink too much. I like my wine, but I don't drink too much. But think about this. Have you heard politicians say, no, tax the rich, tax the rich, tax the rich, tax the rich? Have you heard that before? Of course. Very easy for a politician that wants votes to say, tax the rich, tax the rich, tax the rich. But here's the problem. If you say that if you tax smoking or you tax smoke cigarettes or liquor, and a lot of people can't afford it anymore and they stop, or they smoke less, or they drink less. If you tax business people too much, what do? The same. They stop doing business. They make their business smaller. They sell up. They leave the country. Now, here's the point, and I'm going to try and convince South Africa of this. The most important commodity in our country is business people. Business people are the backbone of South Africa's economy. We need 100 to 200,000 successful business people in our country. Why? Because they'll employ 10 million people. Then your crime rate drops. Everything works better. Everything works better. The government doesn't have to pay this massive amount of money out every month if people got jobs. So what do? Do we tax business people and punish business people when they become successful? No, you can't do that. Why? If you say to a guy, you've got 70 workers, now we want you to give part of your business away for BEE, or you want to tax the person more because making more profit, you're forcing him to stay small. Instead of rewarding the businessman for employing more people, those people pay taxes. It keeps the economy rolling. So you don't have to listen to me. I'm not an expert, but I'm a very logical person. You let people pay too much tax, you stop growth in our country. And that's what's happening. That's why unemployment is sky high. If I can convince people just of the following: reward business people in South Africa for being successful. Just try it and see what happens. That is what's going to make our economy explode. We've got everything in this country. There's nothing that we need. We have got it all. And look how we're suffering. So yeah, taxes are important, but overtax people and the negative effect is far greater than the little bit of extra tax you get. Anyway, that's my 2 cents on this Friday. It's a beautiful day outside. Let's hope it's a beautiful weekend. And if you can, spend some time with your family. There's nothing better than family. Spend time with family, guys. It's fantastic. Have a nice weekend.